Hello, welcome to Math with Mr. Dobrescu, to the rescue. Today we are going to simplify square roots. Sometimes the numbers inside the square roots are not perfect squares. Therefore, we have to do a factor tree. So, we got to do a factor tree of 50. Because we have the 0 at the end, 50 divides 2. Half of 50 is 25. Now 25 is a perfect square. So we can rewrite square root of 50 as square root of 25 times 2. And square root of 25 times 2 can be written as in two little square roots, square root of 25 times square root of 2. The same thing, we can break it down this way. And now square root of 25 is 5. And square root of 2 stays 5 times square root of 2. Final answer. Let's take a look at another example here. Square root of 48. Again, 48 is not a perfect square. Therefore, we need to do a factor tree. Again, 48 divides 2. Half of 48 is 24. Again, we can divide by 2. Half of 24 is 12. Half of 12 is 6. And 6 can be written as 2 and 3. 2 times 3. So all these are the prime factors. Now, if we multiply 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16. This is a perfect square. So square root of 48 can be written as square root of 16 times 3. And now we can break it down again into square root of 16 times square root of 3. And of course, square root of 16 is a perfect square, which is 4. And times square root of 3. Final answer. Let's take a look at the last example here. Again, square root of 72, not a perfect square. Therefore, we need to do a factor tree. Again, 72 divides 2. Half of 72 becomes 36. And then we can do 2 again, because we have 6 divides the 2. Half of 36 becomes 18. And we can do 2 again. Half of 18 is 9. And 9 can be written as 3 times 3. So all the factors here are 2 times 2, 4, perfect square. 3 times 3, 9, perfect square, times 2. So this can be written as square root of 4 times 9 times 2, right? And now we can break this down into square root of 4 times square root of 9 times square root of 2. And we know that square root of 4 is 2 times square root of 9 is 3, square root of 2. And 2 times 3 is 6, square root of 2. Final answer. Anytime you're struggling with finding or simplifying square roots, think of Mr. Dobrescu, to the rescue.